Ireland's central bank, responsible for maintaining monetary and financial stability and ensuring the financial system works in the best interest of the community.
We are part of Europe's monetary and banking unions and of the world's network of financial regulators.
Protecting people is at the heart of everything we do. We provide economic analysis, statistics and commentary to inform decisions about what the country needs.
We set standards to protect consumers and regulate and supervise financial service providers and markets, taking enforcement action where we need to. We are responsible for Ireland's payment system and for the provision of its currency.
Our vision is to be a central bank that is trusted by the public, respected by its peers, and a fulfilling place to work for its people. We work with people across Ireland and with colleagues across Europe and elsewhere in the world on the delivery of our mission.
We are passionate and ambitious for the bank's performance and for the bank's people. We act sustainably. We embrace diversity and inclusion as they strengthen us as individuals and as an organisation.
We apply rigorous analysis to the best available data. We believe in engagement and in communicating openly, clearly and regularly.
Our values underpin how we interact with each other and reflect our aspirations for ourselves and for our community.
Integrity and care, so that we do what is right, our actions match our words and we care about people.
Courage and humility, so that we act with conviction, are prepared to innovate and adapt, and always looking to listen and learn.
Teamwork and excellence, so that we achieve quality outcomes by harnessing our collective strengths, seeking diverse perspectives, and driving for disciplined execution.
We believe in the importance of an independent central bank that is transparent, accountable and connected across all public policy domains, in Ireland, in Europe and across the world.
Our constant and predominant aim is the welfare of the Irish people as a whole.
We are the Central Bank of Ireland.